In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to invert the scale on TradingView in 2025. If you're a regular user of TradingView, it's a powerful platform for analyzing financial charts and spotting trading opportunities, but sometimes understanding your charts can be a bit challenging, and that's where inverting the scale comes in. It's a useful feature helping you to view the data from a different perspective, and today I'm going to walk you through how to do just that. Start by going to your chart. If you already have a TradingView account, simply log in and navigate to the chart you would like to work with. If you don't, you can easily create a free account and get started. Now let's say we are working with a chart of a popular stock. Any chart you prefer will work for this demonstration. Once your chart is loaded, move over to the price scale on the right side. Focusing on the price scale helps because it's the vertical axis on your charts and it's where all the action happens. This is the part we will be inverting to get that flipped view. Hover over the price so that you can make adjustments. Here's the next step. Using your mouse, right-click anywhere on the price scale. A context menu will appear with several options for you to choose from. From the menu, look for the option labeled Invert Scale and click on it. By selecting this option, you will immediately notice that the price scale flips, essentially inverting the whole chart for you. This can be incredibly insightful when you want to analyze patterns or trends from an alternative angle and can help in identifying opportunities you might not have seen otherwise. If you're someone who loves using shortcuts, there's a quicker way to invert the scale on TradingView. Just use the shortcut combination Alt plus I. Pressing these keys together achieves the same result, flipping the scale instantaneously without having to go through the right-click menu. Knowing this shortcut can save you a few valuable seconds each time you need to perform this action, making your workflow with TradingView even smoother. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to invert the scale on TradingView. It's a simple yet effective way to gain new insights from your charts. Remember, experimenting with your views can give you fresh perspectives, so don't hesitate to flip the scale whenever you need a new angle on the data. Keep practicing, and soon enough you'll be navigating TradingView like a pro. Thanks for watching, and happy trading.